Hey guys, welcome to Common Fixes. Today we're working on an Acura MDX with the 3.5 liter engine, 2009. So another common oil leak spot that I want to share with you was the oil filter housing gasket. So if you can see along this line here, there's oil leaking here. Now I already cleaned it. Then I ran the engine again to see if oil will come out, and it is coming out from there. So I will go ahead and replace this, take this out and replace the gasket behind it. It's very simple to do. There's only 3 bolts, one right here, one over here, and then one down here. 3 bolts, and then the whole thing pops out, and then we'll replace the gaskets on there. Okay, so I have the oil filter out. Now you have to be careful. This one bolt at the bottom, this bolt at the bottom is the longer one. The other 2 are the same length, but this one is at the bottom. This is the longer bolt, so you just have to make sure you put the longer bolt at the bottom. This is the gasket for it. There's a filter right here, and the filter is facing outwards, so you got to make sure you put the gasket the right way. So just go ahead and remove that. Just peel it off. And it already broke, so it was brittle. Just pulled it off and it broke. So this gasket was brittle and hard, so that's why it was leaking. Now you just got to prep that surface before you put the new gasket on. So this is the new gasket, and this is the oil filter housing. So we're gonna go ahead and prep everything, and then replace the gasket, put it on here, and then put it back up. I'm also going to change the smaller gasket, which is for this piece right here. So this piece was also leaking in between the flange here, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that also. So now what this does is for the actuation of the spool valve that's in here. This is the spool valve, and pushes that up and down to give you the oil pressure. And the gasket is right here. It's inside of it. So just peel that off, and you can just place the new one on, and then go ahead and put it back on. Okay, so once the surface is all clean and prepped to the best you can, then go ahead and install your gasket here, with the filter right here facing into the housing, and then make sure the gasket is sitting properly in all the grooves, and then you go ahead and install it. Put all the bolts, tighten it down, connect all your plugs, wash it down around it after it's all tight, and then you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching Common Fixes. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.